me get another song. We already been over 2 hours though. Let's see what we come up with, y'all. Allie Patches, how you doing? Let's go. I wanna say your name over here, but still I'm over here. They saying that yes, I don't share. The people telling me that, and I saying we going near. Some people telling me they saying that yes, I thank you dear. So yes, I seen the alley patches, yes, and in the house, but still I'm over here, and I say I rock it now. Still I'm over here, and I'm here to run my mouth. Some people's over here that saying that yes, I go down, saying hey. Saying what is up, my people? Do you know what's really going on? Saying I'm educated and I'm doing my thing, and I'm doing my thing in a song. Saying a song about this and a song about that. Saying that yes, and that I still have my home. Don't want to get outside, but still I'm inside. But still I'ma do it in my zone. Say my zone in my zone when I zone for me, and I'm zone when I'm in my mind. Some of people talking about I'm over here to saying Jay, you is past your prime. But I'm over here today to telling you what the things I'm doing today. Saying that I'ma shout to you out today, and I got some words to say. Saying that, hey, do you even know about me? Do you even know what's going on? Saying that I'm the J, I'm doing my thing. Do you know I wanna shout you up? I wanna shout you up over here, but still I wanna show love. To everybody say you know me, and you guess everybody want love. Say if you want the love from me. Do you love that people today? Saying I'm over here today, the right now, and I had some words to say. Just to put it on repeat though, talking about I want more. Try to pitching up now, when I switching on the flow. Then I was a slow, now I wanna pick up with my flow. Now I get to faster and I stand up, yes I here we go. Here we go, we in though. Now we say we sin though. People talking about the center, what about a single? Now I'm not a standard, but I know a little bit though. Still I'm over here tonight, you tryna throw a fit, yo. Tryna throw it on, tryna throw it in the zone. Everybody talking about the other people tryna moan. So now you wanna moan and talking about these other people, and you better go to tell the people, go to straight home. Now you going home talking about it that you cool, but you're not that cool. People made you doing bad things. Now you talking about these other people. Yes, I'm over here just to talk about you. Yes, you get it on your bag. Now you get your bag. Now people talking about it, and we still way back. Still over here talking about the other people saying, Jay, do you know who got your back? Saying, hey, saying what's going on today? And I just have some fun. Saying, hey, today that I'm over here to have some fun. The beat started over.